Welcome to today's virtual lesson for April 20th. We are going to be revising our dialogue and details. What's that? What's behind me, you say? That right there is the ocean. I asked my mom to paint me the ocean because I was missing home, missing Miami, and she painted me a painting of the ocean. Isn't that cool? Yeah. What'd your parents ever do? Everything. Your parents have given you everything. They make sure you have a place to live, that you have food to eat, that you're doing your work. So you need to get up right now and you go say thank you to your mom and to your dad, your auntie, your uncle, your godmother, your godfather, anybody who watches over you because they're doing a lot for you. So you need to say thank you. Okay. Today we're going to do a mindfulness check. We're going to go over our objectives. We're going to do shout outs. Yay. We're going to revise for dialogue and details, and then I will explain what you are going to do. Okay. So I want you to choose one way that you're going to take 5 deep breaths. I think I'm going to do the drain. And I want you to write down one thing you're grateful for. Think about why you're grateful for whoever watches over you. I'm grateful for my parents because they really believe in me and they push me to do my best and they are always proud of me.